This is the KB rotating loom. This is how you purchase it. It comes as a kit. You have your spinny loom. It comes with 6 legs and 2 loom toppers. It is made mainly for double knitting because it is the only loom there is that you can actually double knit in the round. They offer a secondary topper that you can purchase to give you more pegs to work on. What you see in my video is just the base from the original kit, and you see these things right here. You can purchase these separate. You get 3 of them. It rotates all the way around, so it will accommodate different sizes. It has the hole here so it snaps on securely, and then it has like these rubber bands, which as you can see they're actually like hair ties, so those can be replaced very easily. But I'll show you attaching one. Kind of awkward, so see, you can move these however you need to. I will just go ahead and attach the loom that I was using in the video. So I take the rubber band. When you do this, don't go over the peg, go between pegs, and you pull it underneath and you can hook it to this. There's like 2 different little holes there to secure it. So let's go over to our next one. And this one I'll just secure on the first. Let's go to our third one. And I'll just pull that one under the first as well. So you can either attach them on the inside or the outside. They spin completely around. And there's so many options for different looms that you can attach to it. But you gotta remember, this kit has to be purchased, and then you purchase the adapters to go with the kit. And if you loom a lot, especially, I like to sit in bed and loom, and I thought the noise of it spinning would bug me, but listen. Just sitting on my lap, I don't know if you can hear that over the cicadas, but sitting on my lap, it moves slowly, and I'm just able to just go on autopilot and just keep knitting and keep knitting and keep knitting while I'm watching TV.